Hello my little gems and welcome back to my channel. So I've got a little unboxing for you. I'm super duper excited for this little package to arrive. So a quick little backstory. So Prism posted these little lights that they've just started selling, and I commented saying, oh, that would make an amazing spares project, because like the outside was plain and everything, then they were shaped in like two cute designs, and I was like, oh, that makes such a cute little spares project. And so Adele did, and then Adele messaged me and said, we actually have one here that we cannot sell because it's got some marks on the base. Would you like it? And I was like, oh yes please, Adele. So she's like, yeah, you can have. I was like, are you sure though? She's like, yeah, absolutely, you can have it and everything. So there will be a couple of little marks on this, okay? So don't think that when you order one it will come with marks on the base. That's just how they were obviously checked all the stocks that came in and everything. This one had marks on the base, and obviously they will not sell it if it's not 100% perfect. So they offered it to me so I could turn it into a spares project. So this is just the unboxing, and then the next video will be a spares project with this, because I saw it off and I was like, that would make a really cute little spares project. So I can't remember, I don't know which one I've got, so that's a surprise and everything. Yeah, so and then what I'll do, I'll link the little lights down below and everything. And I did think it was a really, I thought they were so cute. I was like, that would make the best little spares project. So yeah, thank you to Prism and Adele for sending me this. I am extremely grateful and excited. So I am going to be doing this. Try not to turn it over because my Sharpies are all run out. So I don't want to show you guys my address. Not like I think any of you do something, but there are some like extremely strange people on the internet. Let me just cut this off here. There we go. No, I've got to worry about. So, comes again in their green bubble wrap. Very well packed. Came by Royal Mail. Your postman not this morning. Well, reminds me of my nan's wrapping. I can never open her presents. Here we go. Oh, it's the... Oh, which one is it? I think it's the dinosaur one. Well, it does say dinosaur on the box. Well, Gemma. It's the dinosaur. So, really cute box. That is a super cute box. And this adjusts into different sizes. Oh wow, that is so cute. That is super duper cute. I was like, it's magnetized as well. That's cool. And here's the bulb. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Oh, I get it. I get it. See there. There we go. And here's our little dinosaur light. So the base detached, as you can see, like Adele said, there's a couple of little marks on it, which is why they said they could not sell it, because it doesn't meet their standards in quality. So yeah, me personally, if I had something come a couple of marks like that, it would not bother me at all. But I can understand their high standards. So put the base down. It's got movable arms, movable legs, movable tail, so he can move, so that you can do all different positions. So your dinosaur can reach up in the air, he can bend down, he can, let me move the legs, and that is so stinking cute, honestly. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have our little, so how we turn it on is from here, and this bit is rubber, the rest is plastic. And I think that this is going to make such a cute little spares project. It will be a mini spares project, and most of it is going to be very, very awkward to decorate, but I think it's still going to look absolutely awesome. So yeah, I think I might just cover in green and do the odd little yellow spot. So yeah, he is so cute, honestly. And then we got a button here, turn it on. And that is actually pretty bright, actually. There's our light. Absolutely stick in there. And obviously he stands on the table like so. He's so cute. So you can do all different positions. That would actually be ideal for like a little kid, like a little night light. You know, they are so stinking cute. They really, really are. So what I'll do, I'll leave the link down below, and also want to grab yourself a bargain. All their UK stock kits at the moment are 30% off. So you want to grab yourself a little bargain, check out their UK stock kits section. And because they've got a 30% sale on. I've got my eye on a couple of bits, and if they're still there payday, I'll be buying. So yeah, that is our little dinosaur light. That is so cute. Absolutely adorable. And also his tail moves. So yeah, it's going to be an awkward little spares project, but that is still going to be a really, really fun little spares project. How stinking cute is that? That is so cute. I could just sit here all day playing with the shapes, positions on him. So yeah, I absolutely love it. That is so cute. Honestly, absolutely gorgeous. You know what they say, simple things for simple minds, but yeah, that is so cute. And it's really clever as well, because like, especially when I'm decorating, where the base separates, that is going to be really a lot easier for me to like decorate. And then what I'll do, might just leave the base plain and then decorate the rest of the dinosaur. So yeah, I think it's going to look awesome. So yeah. So that is it for our unboxing. I shall leave the links down below for our little dinosaur light. And there's also a bunny one as well. I'll pop up a picture on the screen of the bunny light as well. And yeah, I think they are super duper cute, honestly. I am so pleased with that. And once I've finished him, he will take pride of place in my background. Definitely will. But yeah, absolutely thrilled with it. Thank you ever so much, Prism. Honestly, absolutely gorgeous. And so yeah, I'm going to be getting cracking with him because I'm so thrilled with it. And we and let's see how we get on, shall we? All right. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you all next time. And don't forget to go and check out Prism and all their accessories section and everything. I have seen them have cards on there as well. So if anybody wants little projects and don't want to do a big massive kit, they've got little cards on there. They've had got cup kits on there. I think they've sold out on them, but keep an eye out for when they do a restock, okay? So that is it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.